This time I'm going to show you how to use a choice dialog. So let's create one more button. So it will give you a list of items with this in dialog. So instead of typing it by yourself like a text input dialog, you can select one of them. So btn choice dialog. I will say handle btn choice dialog. So here the class name is ChoiceDialog. We need to deal with data. Here we are going to use a string data type. We name it as a dialog. New ChoiceDialog. We are going to use a generic type, same as a string. You can have string values, Hawaiian, vegetarian, and seafood. Same here, dialog. Let me import. I'm going to use a choice dialog as title. You can change to other name. Set header text, pizza type, and then context text. Choose your pizza. Next one we will process, so capture the response value using optional class. So we are going to say dialog show and wait. Here optional and string. Say results. Okay. So if I say select the Hawaiian, I'm going to get Hawaiian string value to result object. So we are going to use if result is present, then we are going to get that result value. So let's say TA order, append text. Here we're going to say result.get, say new line, so I can process more than one order. So last one, choice dialog, looks like a list, isn't it? So let's say seafood, veggie, up to you. So this is how we use choice dialog. So let me quickly have a look. Input dialog seems okay. Choice dialog seems okay. Allow should be okay. That's all. Thank you.